Chasing you like a shot of whiskey, burning, going down, burning, going down. Chasing you like those goodbye taillights, headed west to anywhere out of this nowhere town. Chasing that freedom, chasing that feeling that got gone too soon. Chasing that you and me, I only see in my rear view. Hell, I'm laying every night holding someone new. Still chasing you, still chasing you. Hey everybody, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons, and today I'm going to teach you how to play, you guessed it, because you clicked onto the video, I don't know why I said that, but I'm going to teach you how to play Chasin You by Morgan Wallen. So Morgan Wallen is probably my favorite country singer, and I don't know, I just love him. I have since I heard his first song, and yeah, so I just love him. I'm super excited about his new album to come out. But the song Chasin You, I'm going to teach you. It's like a good raw guitar song. The reason being, standard tuning, no capo on it. I love that. So before we get into it, if you like my this video, I would ask that you would please subscribe, and I'm thankful to everyone who has. And also, please hit the like button too. So anyway, let's get into it. So you're going to use 4 chords over and over and over throughout this song. They never change order or anything. It's the same chord progression, okay? So let's start. You're going to start with E minor, okay? So the only difference in this whole song, in the verses and the chorus, is the strumming pattern a little bit, okay? But I'll start with the verses. So anyway, you start with E minor, okay? And you can play this 2 ways. I think it's best if you mix them, but I'm going to show you. So you can play E minor, okay, and then you'll play D. Okay, then you're going to do C-add-9. So that's ring finger on the 3rd fret on the B string, middle finger on the 3rd fret on the A string, and then your pointer finger, so that goes right there, okay? Your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, okay? Okay, and then so you're doing C-add-9, and then you do G. All right, so there's going to be a lot of muting in this song, okay? And you don't have to do that. I think that's how it sounds the best, and that's the way that I play it, so that's what I'm going to teach you. All right, so you can play it like this. I'll show you that after, or you can play it where you just hit. That's the easier way to play it, okay? And I'm trying to show it to you so you can see my like this hand and the strumming that's going on, okay? So you're going to start with E minor, and just kind of pay attention to the strumming pattern. So you do 2 on each. Okay. Okay, so it's E minor, D, C-add-9, G. Okay. So you do strum, strum, mute, strum, strum, mute, strum, strum, mute, strum, strum, mute, strum. Okay, you're doing that mute afterwards. So I guess I wasn't saying the 2nd mute, but yeah, so you do that. So so that's how you play the verses. So it's gonna be, I can't remember the lyrics well enough to this without looking at it, even though I don't know why I love the song, but so I'm gonna show you. So you do we used to chase that Chattanooga freight, couple of kids in a Chevrolet, catch a little air when we cross the tracks, sipping on some from a paper sack, hang your shirt on the maple limb, sipping to the moon to the river bend. Wasn't very long, I was jumping in, jumping in. Okay, so in that last part, you're doing jumping in. You're staying on C-add-9. You don't go to G there, okay? So it's the last part of the first verse, okay? So you do, sipping to the moon to the river bend, sipping to the moon to the river bend. Wasn't very long, I was jumping in, jumping in, jumping in. I guess and then you still do C-add-9, okay? So you don't move to G there. You just do 1 strum. Still doing now what I was doing then, okay? So then you go to the chorus. The difference in the chorus is going to be that you're only going to do single strums. So you're going to do strum. So you do E minor, so you do, and remember it's the same chord progression, but you do strum, 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 strum. Okay, so strum, mute, strum, strum, mute, strum. Okay, so before we were doing, so you're doing 2 strums, strum, mute. Now you're just on each chord. Now you're just doing strum, mute. So you do strum, mute, strum. Okay, so that it's a quick transition, but you do strum, mute, strum, mute, strum, mute, strum, strum, mute, strum, mute, strum, mute, strum, mute. Okay, hopefully that helps you get like how they do it. But so that's where it goes. Chasing you like a shot of whiskey, burning, going down, burning, going down, chasing you like those goodbye taillights, headed west to anywhere out of this nowhere town, chasing that freedom, chasing that feeling. Okay, so that's how that goes. And then when you do still chasing you, it's the same thing. You just end it like that when you actually play the G. So in the when you're going from the end of the first verse, you remember you end on the Cadd9. Okay, this one you're not going to do that. You're going to do E, D, Cadd9 G. Okay, chasing you, and then you go into the interlude, which is just you play it through once. So you go back to like the verse. Okay, and then you'll play it through that. Now that's how the whole song goes. Okay, so then you'll play the verse, the second verse, and then you'll play just like with the 2 strums. Then you'll play the chorus the second time. You do that exactly the same. During the solo, it's the exact same stuff. It's just as the verse. Okay, and the second time, you don't play the G again, so you just do this. This is the second time, Roch. Okay, so D, Cadd9. Okay, then you go back into the chorus. Chasing you, chasing you like a shot of whiskey. Okay, so that's how you do that. So that's a super easy song. Now I'm going to show you one other quick tip. A way that I think makes it sound even better. So you can just play it like that, okay? Or you can finger pluck as well, okay? So when you're doing the E minor, you're gonna use your thumb to pluck the A string, okay? You're gonna use your pointer finger at the same time as when you're doing all these. The pointer finger is gonna pluck the G string. Then your ring with your middle finger, you're gonna pluck the B string, okay? So you do, so like, it's the same strumming pattern and everything. Same pattern as to when you do that as the strumming. It's just you're just plucking the 3 strings. And then when you do the D, you can do this either way. Okay, so you can either pluck the same 3 strings. I'm going to leave it to you what you think sounds a bit better, but you can do same 3 strings, or you can move your thumb down and 1 string, and you're going to do it down or up. I never know which way, but you can, and then you can pluck the D string with your thumb, and then the other strings are going to be the same. Okay, so you can do. Then you're going to go back up here. If you do that, you're going to pluck the A string again with your thumb, and the same one with these 2 fingers. Okay, so it's. And then you do the G, and you're gonna this time so with these fingers always pluck the same 2, and then with your thumb you're gonna move up to the big E string. Okay, so you're gonna do. Sorry. See how you can play that? That's the lower sounding one. Now it's probably easier if you're not like very good at doing this, or you can do. Now when you do the chorus, you can do it this way, where you just do, it's the same thing, same fingers and same strings and everything. You would just do, you're going to do the same strumming pattern for the chorus that you were doing. So you're going to do. Does that make sense? I don't know why I asked, you can't tell me right now. But if it does, if you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments. I'm more than happy to help you guys out with anything. So, and also, if there's any songs you'd like me to teach next, please let me know in the comments, and I will be more than happy to teach them to you. So, thanks guys, I hope you enjoy this awesome Morgan Wallen song. I mean, every song by Morgan Wallen is awesome, but I hope you guys really like it. So let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.